this video I'm going to show you how to do a knit 2 purl 2 rib. And in the video that we did the casting on, I did mention that you can actually make a hat with no less than 49 loops. Well, this is a hat with 48 loops, and it's all done in knit 2 purl 2 rib. See as I open it here that it makes a really nice pattern. And I'm at the stage now where I'm doing the one last row of the knit 2 purl 2 rib, and then from then on there's only 4 more rows to do, and that's all decreasing, and then the hat's finished. So you can have a really smart warm woolly hat very quickly with not a lot of effort. So if you pick up your needles and your yarns, find your comfortable position, make sure you've got a little bit of yarn out, and go into your knit position, yarn round right hand needle, knit 1, knit 2, and then to do your purl 2, as you would normally do purl in stocking stitch, yarn to the front. You can hear the needles catching on the wooden table. Knit 1, purl 1 rather, purl 2, wool back round, knit 1, knit 2. Then you can see that we're just following on the really nice pattern, and we'll do that all the way to the end. And these are chunky needles, these are size 9s, and this is a really super chunky wool. Very easy to handle, very quick to knit. Purl 1, purl 2, wool to the back of the needle, knit 1, knit 2, and so on. And what looks like a square of knitting when it's finished is actually a very smart hat. And just to show you what it looks like when it's finished, I'll show you one that I've got. And here we have it. A similar hat, same pattern, chunky wool, super chunky wool actually, and as you can see it's got a twist in it of another shade, which is a combination of super chunky wool and a double knit to give this very mixed pattern. Very warm, very welcoming. Happy knitting, ladies and gentlemen, because I know there's a lot of good knitters out there with the gentlemen. See you next time.